Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to a digital marketplace where you can promote products from Nigeria especially and get paid. Alright, and also if you're a creator of digital products, they can help you get more sales and connect you with more customers via their platform. So I'll be showing you the whole details. This platform has sold over 400,000 products with over 97,000 affiliates and 180 plus product creators. How this digital marketplace works is that creators and vendors list their products here. You sign up and promote their product, then you get paid. You get paid in Naira, okay? So newbie affiliate marketing, you can earn between 25,000. Okay, you can earn up to 25,000. So I'm going to walk you guys through the whole details about this so that you can sign up and start earning. So you can get paid for recommending these digital products from top experts. You can earn money by recommending any of the high value products on this platform to your subscribers and followers. So if you have a TikTok account, you can promote them. All you have to do is to use the unique link of each product, and then their system will track your sales, ensuring that you are compensated for the sales you enter. So if today's the first time, we are talking about how to make money from Nigeria or anywhere. So but today's focus, or this week's focus, is on Nigeria. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and let's get started. So the name of this website, this digital marketplace, is Expertnaire. They distribute high value digital products. Okay, so vendors are here, they list their products. Affiliate marketers will pick up the link, promote it. So if you go down, you can see the list of products listed. Click on see full details and see the full details, but I'm going in as an affiliate. But if you want to sell, feel free to go in as a vendor. All right, if you want your product to be out there, if you want them to promote your product, sign up as a vendor. So I'm signing in now. I'm signing up as an affiliate. So you earn money as an affiliate promoting high quality products. You sign up as an affiliate and start promoting any of their life transforming products, and you can get as high as 75% commission for each sale you refer. So it's quick and easy to get started. And let me show you how it works. It is simple to start earning money as an affiliate on Expertnaire. First of all, you sign up. You fill out this short affiliate sign up form and pay a yearly sign up fee of 10,000 only. Yes, you pay a sign up fee, but you're going to make more money from here, believe me. Then the second one is to promote. You pick any of their products and you start promoting it using the affiliate link that will be provided for you. Most of you are on social media platforms. You're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, you're on Facebook, you're on YouTube, you're on what's the other one called? You're on Snapchat. Okay, get paid when a customer buys through your affiliate link. Commissions are deposited into your bank account every day. So you don't really need to get up to 1,000 subscribers to start earning money online. Even if you have 0 subscriber, sign up, create an account on YouTube, talk about this product, leave the link in the description. Nobody or nothing stops you from putting links in your videos when you're not monetized. Okay, and what makes it special here, they try their best to only list high quality and proven to sell products in their marketplace. They do this by manually reviewing each product that is submitted to their marketplace. With this, you can be rest assured that you are really promoting helpful products to the public. This also helps your conversions as well when you decide to promote any of their products. Also, their unique affiliate tracking process ensures that your affiliate commissions are safe. You can get started today within a few minutes and start earning some nice commissions. Click here for the FAQs. So click on this sign up button. It brings you here. you fill your name, your email address, your password, and agree, and just sign up. It's straightforward. So I'm also going to sign up because I want to make some money as well for myself. So I'm going to sign up after this video because this one is not it's not a scam. Okay, it's not a scam. We don't talk about scams on this channel. So I'll sign up. So these are some of the product they list here. This one is 80,000. Let's see the full details. So look at it. They posted it, the vendor posted it this way. Do you want to bake and decorate like a pro within 28 days? Inside this comprehensive course, I will reveal to you tested secrets and skills you need to bake cakes that are soft, yummy, and fluffy. Also, how to decorate stunning cakes that make you more money and repeat customers. So watch me bake a mango cake in simple steps below, and you can bake yours right away. So this vendor posted this. So like if you want to advertise a video on your YouTube channel, you can also do it. Like this person is selling a course and he says, hello friend, my name is Kwado Enyi, creator of Bake Like a Pro and founder of Case Pastries Limited LLC. My goal with the comprehensive course is simple: to help you bake and decorate cakes like a pro within 28 days. Discover how to get the right batter texture to prevent dry, strong cakes. This course is a right fit for you if you're an amateur baker. So this person listed this here. Before we proceed, read a few testimonies of my student. You see, this is it. That's how this vendor posted it. So see below, 4 flowers edifice. The person goes on to explain and explain. So I'm only going through this side if you want to list your own. Okay, but this video is mainly for affiliate marketers who wants to make money. Okay, this person listed all these things here. So what you're going to do is, if you sign up on this website, then they'll give you a link that you will leave on your video. So once you put that link on your video, it will redirect them to this page for them to come and view this person. And once they view this person's profile and read everything, look, yes, I want to enroll now to Bake Like a Pro. The person also left a link for them to enroll for this course that she's selling. Then they will enroll. So then you get paid by redirecting people to this website. You see, so that's how they do it. People list their items here. So if you're a vendor, you want to sell, you sell clothing, you bake, you cook, feel free to list your product here. Pay the fee, list your product. Look, the person is selling, that's how much she's selling this product. So once you do it and you list it, somebody clicks on it and comes here, you will get your commission, 75% commission. So I'm just showing you. If you want to list your items, feel free to list your items here. She also added her YouTube channel. This will also lead them to her YouTube channel. Okay, and that's it for this one. Let me know your thoughts, guys. If you're interested in signing up here to become an affiliate on ExpertNair, okay, you can see other people. You can also offer these services: advanced content writing masterclass, virtual assistant dollar program. You list your own, people will come in and pay you. Okay, but you can get paid by promoting these links on your videos. So I thought to share with you guys. Let me know your thought about them. And that's it from my end. The name again is expertnair.com. Sign up, pay the sign up fees, and start earning from there. You will thank me later, I'm sure of it. God bless you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave me a comment with your questions and concerns. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.